Technology is advancing at a rapid pace, and with that, cybersecurity threats are also evolving. This is why security will continue to be a critical part in software development in 2023. Here's why you must pay attention to security in your software development projects. Software programs store and transmit a lot of sensitive data, making it imperative to prioritize security throughout the software development lifecycle. Developers must be vigilant in identifying potential risks and vulnerabilities from the start of a project. This involves being aware of the kind of data that will be processed, spotting possible attack points, and putting in place security measures that can reduce or eliminate threats. Cybercriminals continuously exploit software flaws in novel ways, and the results can be disastrous. Sensitive information may be exposed through data breaches, which can also result in financial losses and reputational harm. At every level of development, developers must be aware of these dangers and take action to reduce them. Security is also essential for businesses to adhere to rules and specifications. Developers must make sure that their software applications comply with the growing number of data privacy laws and regulations. Failing to do so may have adverse legal, financial, and reputational effects on an organization. Security is also crucial for preserving customer confidence. In the digital age, customers expect software programs to protect their personal and financial information. A company that fails to do so risks losing the trust and loyalty of its customers. On the other hand, a firm that shows it takes security seriously and has established appropriate procedures can help increase customer confidence and set itself apart from its competitors. Finally, security is essential to software development because it can save long-term costs. Deploying security measures may initially demand additional resources and investment, but it can reduce the likelihood of expensive data breaches and other security incidents. In conclusion, software development in 2023 must prioritize security. By doing so, businesses can safeguard sensitive data, abide by rules, uphold client confidence, and incur long-term cost savings. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more great content.